Can you return to clean again after each open home or private inspection?
Yes, we offer touch-up and refresh cleaning services between open homes and private inspections to help your property stay spotless throughout the campaign. This is especially useful if you're still living in the home while selling, you have kids or pets creating daily mess. The campaign runs over multiple weekends. You want your home to feel just cleaned for every visitor. Our return visit includes bathroom refresh, kitchen wipe down, dusting, vacuuming and mopping, surface polish, mirror glass cleaning, entryway tidy up, including garden sweep if needed. Some clients even book cleaning just before every Saturday open home. It's a powerful way to keep buyer impressions high and reduce day of stress. Remember, you only get one chance per buyer. Let's make sure every inspection feels like day one.